Big bold beady eyes, darkness, he defies thriller written, drawn up with a pen. Your life ends in just one moment. All that he will see gazing through the trees. Toon, catastrophes. That's how the story goes. On your soul he depends. He fell to the bone right when those teeth descend. Break and bend. You can't even comprehend. Stars rising up. The cat tracks you down, down. In the night it finds the nearest shadow and then stalks without a sound. They can't keep going, can't keep running, can't stop sneaking, can't stop now. But I can only carry on. That's all I am alone. Killer kitten, big bold beady eyes, darkness, he defies thriller written, drawn up with a pen. Your life ends in just one moment. All that he will see gazing through the trees. Toon, catastrophes. That's how the story goes. On your soul he depends. He fell to the bone right when those teeth descend. Break and bend. You can't even comprehend.
That demon cat plays with my mind.
Chasing us till the end of time.
Running and running, but he's right behind.
Let's beat him to the 5 and dime.
With long sharp teeth it has, my dear.
The better to eat us with, I fear.
Maybe he needs the old litter box.
Well, I'm hoping that we see it in a couple blocks.
Orange kitten's supposed to be the most adorable things that you've ever seen. What a creature so benign, sends shivers down my spine.
You can tiptoe on all you want. I'm on the prowl and I'm just being blunt. But you're looking delicious, you're looking nutritious. You're probably going to sleep with the fishes. Cartoon cat ain't the cartoon cat. I'm the one and the only. Imagine that. The flavor of human is truly divine. Let's count down the seconds before you die. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Killer kitten, big bold beady eyes, darkness, he defies thriller written, drawn up with a pen. Your life ends in just one moment.